Oh, I didn't say go. My point being, guys, is we did 3 repetitions to create a what? A pattern. So what I want to do today with you guys is to stop these patterns that we have and do something a little bit outside of our comfort zone, because clearly we're all in this room because what we've been doing for the last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years hasn't been working for us, right, in the dating scene. I'm sure we've all played with this toy when we were a little kid, right? Who's ever played with this toy in the room? You see a triangle, you've got to put the triangle in the triangle. You see a square, you've got to put the square in the square. What most guys are doing that are failing in dating right now, what do you think they're doing?
One size fits all.
Yeah, they're trying to fucking push the circle into the square and the circle into the triangle. And then like, fuck, why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this go in? Fuck dating, right? And then they give up and they're like, girls are all bitches, and they become misogynistic guys, and they go down like a rabbit hole of like, fuck, I need to become like Andrew Tate, and I need to build a 7-figure empire. So girls like, I've seen it all, okay? So what they haven't figured out is this. You need to understand how to calibrate towards the different types of women out there.